If you've never seen my face before, hi, I'm Pigeon, and I really appreciate you clicking on this video. I am a crochet designer, I'm a small business owner, I'm a parent of 2 with ADHD. There you go, that's the intro. This, again, I said it in my first vlog, this is like the most unaesthetic channel ever. So welcome to Jan. This is my 1986 Sprite Caravan. I am working in here today. This video is probably going to be a couple of days mooshed together. I'm working in here today. My husband's actually having a play date with his best friend and his daughter. So the kids are playing together, the husbands are playing together. So I'm going to just be out here and do some like nice cozy work today. I'm actually going to be filming for my Patreon today. I want to show you some stickers that came this week and the mistake I made on one of them. So annoyed with myself. And I'm going to be stamping some bags. Jan currently is in a state of WTF because she's currently holding stock to be made into kits and things for Stitch Festival, which is a big kind of stitching and knitting show that is going to be in Islington at the end of the month, next month. So end of March, sorry, we're not in February yet. End of March. So yeah, this week I really want to try and get as much prep done as I can for that. So I'm going to be sat like stamping bags, doing some of the busy work that needs doing, like the prep, so I can start just packing things. So yeah, that's the plan. Can I just say that these like heat up cushions, the best thing that Mr. Pigeon ever bought me, especially working out in Jan. It is January's here in the UK, so it's actually not too bad today. I think we're looking at about 8 degrees. There's no breath, so you know, it's tepid, but these are great. They have like a pad in them that heats up and it's USB charged, so not an ad, but just in case you have a cold studio too. So I'm going to be sitting on this while I film today. I'm just about to get started. This is what I am teaching today in my Patreon tutorial, this beautiful braided stitch. This is actually a new design, so it's going to become something a little bit special, which I'm quite excited about. So my tutorial's all filmed. I am now going to sit and watch the iPad and do some really boring repetitive stamping onto cloth bags, which is actually quite nice and relaxing for me on a Sunday. So I have sat and stamped 60 of these bags, and actually I had a couple of paper ones, so I've done those as well, ready for shows. But what I wanted to show you now was stickers, because I've got some new ones. So I did a redesign of some other designs that I've done, and some printed that I'd never had printed before. So I do a resting stitch face design, and I have that in a white skin and a black skin. I also have it in like a male version because, you know, we're inclusive. But I also, at the same time, when I designed those, I also designed a blonde and a more natural hair. So I'm really pleased I got these printed now. I only did the small run to see how they go, but yeah, I've got 5 of these different designs now, and I'm really pleased with how they look. They're so shiny. These are so glossy as well, so glossy. I had a load of stuff restocked. I restocked a load of stuff, but I also redesigned 2 of my original designs. So I had this one done, and I had it done with mirror, so it's super shiny. Like, it's so shiny. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm really pleased. I don't even know if you can see it very well on here. I'm really pleased with how that's come out. So that says I see yarn in your future. So I photographed those, which was a ball ache. Didn't think about mirrors stickers being hard to photograph. And I've redone this design, which is my hook fast dye warm design. And this is the one that I've got an error on, and I'm really annoyed at myself. And it's not the printer, it was me. I went back and had a look at the like the sample they give you, like the you know what word I'm looking for, the preview, that's what I'm looking for, and annoyingly it's on there. So these are my hook fast dye warm stickers, and just here there is a layer from the image that should have been removed and shouldn't have been on the final print. But I know you can't probably see it very well here. There's a little blob there and a little line there. You're really not going to be able to see it here. But anyway, it's there, and it's really annoying. So I'm really cross with myself because I ordered 100 of them because I was super excited about redoing this. Like, look at the progress I have made with my designing skills. So I was really annoyed. But these will now just go as seconds into parcels for orders, and I get a lot of seconds when I have my pencils because they rub against each other. So I have pencils to go for seconds as well. So I'll make up some little lucky dip seconds packs, and then these will go in there as well. So all is not lost, but very annoyed that I spent £60 on seconds, and it's my own fault. I do blame myself, and I did do them at like midnight one night because apparently that's a sensible time to order stickers. So yeah, they're done, but the reprints are coming. I've already ordered those, they're on their way. So yeah, so it's about 2:30, 2:45 now. I have been pretty much in here since about 11 o'clock this morning. Have stopped for lunch, but I uploaded my Patreon tutorial video and then realised that I'd done it in the wrong aspect ratio. Thankfully I went into my editing software and like pumped it out, so I'm now waiting for that to like upload. While I've been waiting for that to upload, I got all my download file and my Dropbox down to 0, and I've just filed a load of digital stuff I want to keep, deleted stuff I didn't because it was looking really messy in there, and I feel much better for it. I've literally just months of I do a lot on my phone because the kids are always around, so I tend to send a lot to Dropbox and just leave it in there. So it was nice just to like actually update stuff and get it looking good and tidy. So that's done. Next, I am going to go into my documents file because I have just dragged and dropped a load of stuff in there that needs now organising and putting into proper files. Oh my god, that's a bit overwhelming. Maybe I'll do that another day. Next, I'm hoping that my YouTube video has loaded enough that I can do all the editing and the descriptions for my Patreon, because I host all my Patreon stuff on YouTube because it's really accessible. And yeah. Oh no, what have I done? I just had a panic and thought I'd actually deleted all my videos on my YouTube. I just had a bit of a panic. Oh, that was terrifying. Jesus, don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to yourself. I literally thought I just deleted everything. Oh, I feel a bit sick. That was terrifying. Anyway, I haven't done that, so that's a win. Oh God. Hello, it's a few days later, and today I have mainly been sanding and getting blocking boards done and ready because I launched my slots for my blocking boards, so they have gone really well this week, and I'm just sanding and getting them out. They've got a really long lead time on them, but I want to prep a few extra for Stitch Festival, so I'm trying to like do the moves. I'm just about to cook dinner for my family, and then I really wanted an early night tonight. I really would like to get my pyjamas on and get into bed after my kids get into bed at 7 o'clock. But I have orders to pack, and today wasn't as productive as I'd hoped. I don't know why. I don't know why that was. Some days they're just not as productive as you would have hoped. So I am going to pack orders after bedtime, which I will show you me doing. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't go to plan, and that's okay. So we just got to make the best out of the time we have. But I am going to bed by 9 o'clock. I am going to pack your orders in my pyjamas. So just pre-warning you for that jump scare. He is super lush and is so good for my mental health. He's great. So I'm just making him a little care package of all the things he keeps telling me he likes but has not yet bought. So on my blocking boards, so these come with dowels so you can stand up your granny squares. They normally have just my logo on, but Mr. Pigeon, because Mr. Pigeon makes these in his little shed, he's actually done Kitey's logo for him, and he doesn't know, so that's going to be a nice surprise for him. So hopefully by the time this video goes live, that will have arrived. So if not, I've just spoiled my own surprise. There we go. Is 8 o'clock and I'm going to bed. I haven't really had a good night's sleep for the last 7 years. Thanks, Chekhov. Anyway, as I was saying, I need an early night, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments on my first video. I so appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one.